With a little practice and instruction, you can do most minor items on your car yourself. But you don't have to, because any auto shop would be happy to do it for you and charge you a lot more money than they would if you got the parts online yourself. With us today is our parts expert, Tom Taylor from rockauto.com. Welcome, Tom.
Thanks for having me.
Of course, we're so glad you're here. And we're talking today about some do-it-yourself.
Right. Yeah, one easy thing you can do yourself is change the cabin air filter. You have a choice of filters that just get out the basic dust and dirt, or something with carbon and electrostatic properties that'll trap odors and gases, or a filter that does all that, plus is so finely filtered that it filters out mold and mold spores and bacteria. You can see from this Honda's old filter that it started out white, it starts to get a little black, and it doesn't need to be replaced yet, but then that builds up and you need to replace it.
That's where I come in at the auto shop. When customers come in and they're complaining that their car smells or they're sneezing all the time and their allergies are terrible inside the car, the first thing we go look for is the cabin air filter to see if there's any dirt and debris that's trapped in there. And it's so easy to change. You can just open up your glove box. It's hiding behind a trap door. And just a few minutes to change it. But what's most important to remember is that on the air filter, it actually shows you which way the air flows so that it can trap all of the dirt and debris.
Right. Yeah, rockauto.com will have installation instructions for a lot of filters, and then it'll also be in your owner's manual often. Another surprisingly rewarding and easy to do repair is to fix your windshield washer fluid system. SUVs may have a washer in the back, a washer in the front. They're both not working. You think it's a huge project, but it could just be a single pump runs both. It has two nipples, one for the front, one for the back, and it just snaps into the fluid reservoir, often behind the front bumper, where it's pretty easily accessible.
And what a great design to have both the front and the rear pump in one device. You know, the way to change it is just by taking out the hose for the nozzle, unplugging the connector, prying out the pump, and putting it back in. Reinstalling the washer reservoir, and like you said, job done. Nice and easy.
Yeah, rewarding repair.
Thank you so much for joining us. If you have any questions or comments, reach out to us right here at MotorWeek.